In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Stripe transactions. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to take inside your Stripe dashboard so you can quickly export your data for reporting, accounting, or sharing with your team. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Stripe. First, open your Stripe account and go to your main home dashboard. You can do this by logging in through the usual Stripe login page. Then you'll automatically land on the dashboard. This is the central hub where you see an overview of your business, including payments, balances, and recent activity. Make sure you're in the correct account, and if you use test mode and live mode, double check that you're in the mode you actually want reports from. Once you're on the home dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that column, find and click on the option labeled Transactions. This section shows a detailed list of the money flows on your Stripe account, such as charges, refunds, payouts, and other related activity. This is the data you'll be exporting. After the transactions page loads, look toward the top right area of the page for a button labeled Export. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the export panel where you can customize exactly what you want to download. In the export panel, you'll see a section where you can choose the date range for your export. Stripe gives you several preset options like today, current month, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, last month, all, or you can choose a custom date range. Think about what you need this file for. For example, if you're preparing monthly accounts, choose last month or set the exact start and end dates. If you need a complete history, you can select all, but be aware that this might create a larger file. Once you've selected the date range that fits your needs and you're happy with your choices, go ahead and click the export button again to confirm. Stripe will generate a file for you, usually in CSV format, which you can open in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or upload into your accounting software. After a moment, your download should start automatically, or Stripe will give you a link to download the file, and that's all you need to do to download your Stripe transactions.